Hello viewers, welcome to Top 5 Check. With our review, we will assure that you're getting the best product available on the market. Please do check the product link in the description given below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this every day. So without any further delay, let's get started. Top 5 Best Handheld GPS Unit. Whether deep in the backcountry or in open water, proper navigation is a must. And for route finding, recording tracks, or finding a geocache, there is no more durable and long-lasting navigator than a handheld GPS. So we have pulled together a list of best handheld GPS unit available on the market. Number 1. Garmin Enrich Explorer Plus. These handheld satellite communicators are designed for the outdoor enthusiast who wants to roam further and experience more without compromising their loved one's peace of mind. From backcountry experience to international adventures, Inreach provides communication, location sharing, navigation, and critical SOS function for anyone who loves getting away from it all, on land, water, or in skies. Number 2. ELF2200 GPS Pro. The ELF shares location information up to 5 iOS devices simultaneously using Bluetooth technology. Large LCD display shows critical status information about location, power, Bluetooth connectivity, and trip data storage. Record up to 100 hours of trip data and sharing and storing. Extra long battery life for up to 16 hours using Bluetooth or up to 35 hours just data logging. Works with all location-based app. Number 3. germainEnrich SC Plus. You may venture off the grid, but you're never out of the reach as long as you're carrying an Inreach SC Plus or Inreach Explorer Plus. These handheld satellite communicators are designed for outdoor enthusiasts who wants to roam further, experience more without compromising their loved ones and peace of mind. Number 4. Garmin Enrich SC Satellite Tracker. The Inreach SC operates over the Iridium satellite network, providing truly global two-way satellite communications and high network reliability anywhere on Earth, with no gaps, fringy or weak signal areas. With the ability to maintain satellite signal log even in difficult GPS environments, the Inreach SC also offers global SOS capability, adjustable tracking intervals from 10 minutes to 4 hours, and remote real-time follow me, find me, tracking, and ping me location. Number 5. Garmin Montana 680T. The 8-megapixel digital camera provides high-quality images, excellent resolution, and automatically geotags photo with coordinates, allowing you to navigate back to the exact spot in the future. The high-sensitivity GPS holds your position even in the deepest cooler, sharing a waypoint tracks, routes, and geocache wirelessly with other compatible Garmin GPS users. Bumps, humidity, and water are no match for a durable Montana 680T water-rated to IPX7. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.